Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify data lineage in DataHub with OpenLineage, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify data lineage in DataHub with OpenLineage, start by ensuring you have both DataHub and OpenLineage set up in your environment. Begin by accessing your DataHub instance. Log into the DataHub web interface. Once logged in, navigate to the metadata section. Search for the dataset whose lineage you want to verify. Click on the dataset to view its details. Look for a tab or section labeled Lineage or similar. This section should display a visual representation of the data lineage. To further explore, check if there are options for filtering or expanding specific lineage components. Next, switch to your OpenLineage setup. Ensure that OpenLineage is properly configured to capture events from your data pipelines. Verify that OpenLineage is sending lineage events to your DataHub instance. Once the setup is confirmed, trigger a data pipeline that generates lineage events. Monitor the OpenLineage logs to ensure events are being captured without errors. Return to your DataHub interface. Refresh the lineage section for the dataset you are investigating. Check if the newest lineage information is reflected in the visualization. Take note of any upstream or downstream datasets connected to the lineage. For deeper insights, explore the attributes of each lineage component. You can also check timestamps to understand the data flow stages better. If discrepancies arise, investigate the lineage events recorded in OpenLineage. Cross-reference these events with your data pipeline configurations and logs. This will help identify any issues in data flow or lineage capture. To validate the completeness of the lineage, compare it against your expected data pipeline paths. Consistency across these checks indicates a successfully verified data lineage. If issues persist, consult both DataHub and OpenLineage documentation for troubleshooting resources. Make adjustments as needed to ensure accurate lineage tracing in future workflows. Finally, document your findings and any changes made for future reference. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.